Are you looking for how to fix Play Store keeps stopping problem or Play Store has stopped problem? In this video, I show you how to fix Play Store keeps stopping problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now tap on force stop. Okay. Now tap on permission. Allow all permission one by one. Now search for Google Play service. Tap on Google Play service. Scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, tap on manage storage, tap on clear all data, tap on confirm. Now restart your phone. Start your phone. Now open Play Store app. Now I hope that this method fix Google Play Store keeps stopping problem or Google Play Store has stopped problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Amal's Guide.